Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create story highlights covers using custom shapes. Start with a simple circular layout, then pick minimal shapes, star, bag, camera, heart, chat bubble. Center each shape inside a circle, then add stroke to the shape for clarity. Then use soft pastel background and also duplicate circles to maintain consistency. Apply gold gradient for luxury brand. Keep icons minimal and symbolic. Add subtle shadows. Export each as a separate PNG. Upload to the Instagram. Use highlight set is complete. Perfect for influencer and brand.